Okay, we are working on the basics sheet, and we completed yesterday by defining our business user, and also we created the department, job, and position, these three. After creating these three, we have assigned to our employee also, and we can also create a rule. According to the rule, we can automatically assign roles to the employees. And how to upload employees is nothing but HDL process. In the HDL process, not only uploading the employees, we can also upload roles also. Along with the employee creation, roles can be assigned. And now I have to explain you the data access part. A second time. I share my screen again. Back to you. Suppose for our user, we have added roles. For the business user that we have created, we have added roles. Okay, so an example, procurement manager. The role we have added. So data access is nothing but this business user is a procurement manager for which entity? It's for which entity? So he's a business user for India BU, procurement manager for India BU. Is he procurement manager for India BU or US BU or Australia BU? Okay, that's called as a data access. So if he is a procurement manager for India BU, he is able to create purchase orders for the India BU. He is able to handle all the procurement operations for the India. If he has access to the US, he is able to handle US BU also. Similarly, Australia BU also. So how to assign this data access, I'll show you. From the setup and maintenance, I'm using the global search. Let me increase the browser size. Okay. I'm using the global search. The task name is main is data access for users. This is the task name. Main is data access for users. So here you have to select the business user here. In Dev 64 instance, anyone created business user, employee? In Dev 64, anyone create employee?
Yes, I have.
Yes, I have created here. I have created here.
Can anyone tell the business user name?
No, I have created the employee. Ajay,
I created,
Ajay,
sir.
you can
Vijay,
say.
both are same.
Yes.
I created, sir, with my name, Anu.
Yeah. Name is
Anuji.
Rakesh.
Okay. This is your,
No, sir. Another one
Okay.
more. I think we need to click on Anuji. It was like that.
okay.
You can check with Ajay also, maybe there, yeah.
Alok, you
Oh.
can check also, sir.
Oh,
No, your account is not there.
Alok, you
okay,
can check it, sir. Alok, ALOK.
I'm not asking just user, I'm asking employee, business user.
Yeah, business user, I am also telling.
Alok, it's not there,
Yeah.
sir.
I have created, sir, Alok Sharma.
even I created, sir, yesterday. I'm able to do.
Alok, sir.
Can you
business
check Ravi? Ravi, RAV, can you check?
You can check with Ajay, else must be there. I've created an employee also.
One second, I'm talking about a business user. Your people
Yes.
are all saying, but it's not displaying over here. What is the problem? Let me check. You're all saying that it's been created. Did you verify it after creating the employee? Did you verify whether user created or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We went to the users in security console and we checked it, sir. We got the
Let me-
details also.
Let me see them. I have a doubt. If you have created, it should have displayed here. Okay, let me check your record Anu first. You're saying something Anuji. We can navigate like this also. Whatever you see on the springboard is the same you'll see on the navigator also. You can navigate like this. Tools, you see security console. Okay. Coming to the users. No. This is the account, right? The username is easy, madam.
Yes, sir. Sorry, username is age.
It's okay, no problem. Okay, this is the business user that you have created. I'm searching here with the username. Here I'm searching with the username. If I search with easy, I'll be able to get it. Okay. Now coming to let me add a role called procurement manager to your account. I'm adding a procurement manager to your account. Okay. After that, if I select your user here, I'm able to see in this dropdown only two roles. Only two roles I'm able to see. For the procurement manager role, I'm selecting the security context as business unit. For procurement manager role, I'm selecting the security context as business unit. Later you will understand, slowly later you will understand what entity has to be selected from this dropdown. You'll understand slowly. I'm selecting the business unit. And what is your view?
Oh, something people, sir. It start with the people. People in BU. Yeah. Something. Yeah.
You created two BUs, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you see here team. Now role we are assigning here. Role we are assigning here. So she is a procurement manager, but she is a procurement manager for each entity. India entity. Okay. And suppose you wanted to assign access to the US also. You see here duplicate symbol. Click on this duplicate symbol. Click on the duplicate symbol and select the USPU now. Now, she is a procurement manager for two entities. One is India BU, and the one is USPU. Clear? What is meant by data access is clear, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, look, you're saying your account is also there. Let's check your account. Your username, you created two accounts, look. So out of these two accounts, yeah, this is the business user. I think this is your BU, right? SPE Securities India BU. And your username is A Kumar. Hello, are you there? Hello, you're on mute.
Sir, Cecil here actually. I've made only Alok user ID. Username.
Okay. Okay. So you created, two business users.
Yes.
So one username is A Sharma, and another one is
Alok.
Alok. Okay. Both are there. Okay. So you're saying you're telling me your first name, not the username, because in the screen we have to search with the username, not with the first name.
Okay. Okay.
So that's the reason I'm not able to pull your record there. And Ravi, who created Ravi account?
This is Krishna, sir. That's our boss. Our the username is RBOSE.
Okay, I can see here.
Yes.
Because in this screen, I have the flexibility to search with the first name, last name. I'm searching with the first name. But in this screen, I don't have that flexibility. I'm able to search with, but I can use, I think, advanced button. Let me click on the advanced button. No. If I click on the advanced button also, I'm able to search with the username only. I'm not able to search with the first name, last name here. So your account is there, or boss?
Yes.
Okay, it's there. Okay, good. Srinivas, did you created your business user account? Srinivas,
Not yet. I need to start doing all.
when, sir?
By this week, I will share all
What's
the
your
data on the
email ID,
tape.
sir? What's your email
Yeah.
ID?
Yeah, Srinivas, Raju, sir. Raju Srinivas.
Raju Srinivas.
Yeah,
This one,
right.
right?
Yeah, right.
I didn't receive even one email also from you, sir. Without practice, it is very tough.
Definitely, sir. I'll update it by this week. Sir. From
You
the day
have to
one.
complete everything by this week, sir.
Sure, sir.
Okay. And I
Yeah.
wanted to see emails.
Yeah, definitely, sir.
Chakri? Chakri, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Chakri, who is speaking there?
Gopi, sir.
Gopi, where is your practice email?
I send up to Sandbox, sir. Bandi Gopi Krishna. Check.
This one?
Yes, sir.
When you have sent,
Yesterday, sir. Up to Sandbox, I completed.
okay.
Remaining, I could complete it by today.
Complete everything by this weekend.
Okay, sir.
There should be no backlogs. Complete everything by today. Okay.
Hello. Can I excuse you, sir?
Who is this? Hussein.
I'm Tarek. Tarek Hussain.
Okay. Tariq Hussain, tell me.
I want to ask you one question that yesterday I was doing location practice. Okay.
Okay.
So I just selected that United Arab Emirates. Okay.
Mhm.
In that the address came, okay, in that the mandatory was Emirates.
Okay.
Okay. So when I put the time zone as Dubai, okay,
Mhm.
but when I'm going to submit, okay, the
Mhm.
system was giving me the error, the location is invalid.
Understood. Okay.
So how to
That
get
is
this?
that is geography settings, sir. Geography settings. Some
So
issue with the geography setting. The geography setting is handled by the HR guys, HR
okay,
people.
so
In the
how
real
to
time in the real time application, you don't face such kind of issues.
okay,
In the real time application, since this is the demo instance, I think somebody has changed something. That's why you are getting such kind of issue.
okay,
So you just select any option and then try to submit the location
okay, no problem.
for your
So
practice purpose.
so it means that until I will select India and US like that, just do the practice.
Yeah. Or
No
else you
problem.
can select a US also, maybe some other time zone or something else, you can select it. It won't
Mhm.
be a problem.
Okay,
It won't be a problem if you select some other time zone for the Dubai location.
okay, no, because that the geography scheme came and there I
Okay.
didn't find anything for the
Okay.
Emirates.
Okay.
Hi, for UAE, you can search, like actually it was giving in Arabic letters. You can go for advanced search and you can look it
Uh,
into.
okay,
Uh,
sorry. Whatever you said, it's okay, but I was checking all in English. Okay, that all was in English.
Once try with advanced search.
Okay, no problem. I'll do it today, inshallah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Tariq, did you send me the emails?
I sent one
Practice,
email to you yesterday, okay, because I
Okay.
was just have some issue with my shifting, okay, for my place. So you can check
Yeah.
it, Jahiya, this one.
I think you joined after a few days to this class.
No, no, no. I joined from the first day, okay, but I was just looking for my job and all things. So that's why I'm just busy with shifting all things. So that's why.
I
So
think you
from
missed
today,
some
inshallah,
classes in the middle.
only 2 classes I missed that,
Okay.
like the last Saturday,
I
okay,
remember
and
you are
Monday.
joining the classes from the day one, but
That's the
I
one.
don't see you in the middle
Yeah,
of some
yeah,
classes.
yeah. Only 2 days I just make it off, or
Okay.
maybe 3, like that, because I
Okay.
have to go to some for interviews like that.
Okay, it's fine.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Neeraja madam, are you there? You're on mute.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Did you started watching the videos, madam?
Not yet, sir. I need some more time, maybe a couple of days.
I think Padma has sent you the sign up link, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So please act it quickly.
Yeah, sure. Sure. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam. Mani Kumari. Who is that K Mani?
Sir, good morning, sir.
Your name is Mani Kumari, right, madam?
Yes, sir. My name is Manpur.
Did you complete it watching all the sessions and practice?
No, sir. No, sir. Not yet, sir. Only 3 videos completed. Demo
Why,
and
madam? If you don't have videos, you're watching in YouTube. But when I
Yes,
share the videos, you're not in those real videos, huh?
sir. Actually, I am not finding time, sir. I will find my time and I will watch. Complete the videos.
Okay. I'm not receiving the practice status from any of you. I don't know why. I'm receiving emails only from the 10 to 12 people only. What is happening to the others?
Hi,
Because
sir.
it is very difficult for me to proceed with the next two modules. It's very difficult for me. Because if you're all able to practice, if I'm explaining some concept, I'm able to explain confidently. If I feel you're practicing, you're able to remember the subject. Otherwise, if I am explaining something here, if I have to give some background of the previous topics, again, I have to give the background of the previous topics. Please do understand enterprise structure is very important. I'm telling you from the day one, practice is very important. What's happening to the others?
Hi, Krishna.
Hello, madam.
Hi. I started watching the videos. I'm yet to send the document, okay?
Okay.
So yesterday I created a sandbox and I even published the changes. But
Okay.
today, everything got changed to default. So,
Maybe
how
somebody,
can I,
maybe
mm,
somebody published, madam, again.
how to know which is the latest published sandbox
You can
setting?
check in the publisher sandbox tab. If you go to the sandbox screen, there you can see available sandbox, publisher sandbox. From there
I
you
mean,
can
a
see.
published sandbox menu only,
Yeah.
but
Hmm.
should I check in the published on date field to know which is the latest one?
Yes, madam. Check the publisher sandboxes. You'll understand the latest one. Okay, that's how you can find the latest one. I want to hear from all of you why there is no practice status.
Hi, sir. Neha this side.
Hi.
I have also started watching the videos. I have completed the first 5 videos,
Okay.
and this week I plan to kind of complete all of them so that I can be in rhythm with the class. So I had, I think in the fourth video, third or fourth video where you are discussing about the types of projects, you've shared in Excel with the group on Zoom chat. So it's not there on the drive. So if you can share that again, so we can also download it.
Okay. Okay, madam, I'll share.
Yeah.
Hi Krishna. I have a doubt related to yesterday class. So can I ask now or after the class?
Actually, I'm asking a question to all the people, but you're all interrupting me by taking into a different topic. I'll take your practice doubts. Kindly wait.
Okay.
I'm not receiving practice status from others. Kindly update why.
Hello.
Yeah. Hello.
Hello, sir. This is Akash, sir. Sir, I have registered 2 days back.
Okay.
So I'm watching, sir. So I need some few days to update, sir.
This weekend is okay, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. By this weekend, you finish it off, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Update from next one, please.
Sir, my name is Apurva Pal. Sir, I already started watching the videos and I done the practice also till 6 days I did it. So I
Okay.
thought I finish all practice session and then I will share it, but I will not do today. Whatever till 10 days I
Yes.
finish, I will forward today, and
Yeah.
in 3 days I will catch up to come with the current class, and I will send you daily basis. I will do
Okay.
that, sir.
What you have completed till now, please send it to me.
Sure,
Okay.
I will do that, sir.
Yeah.
Hi sir, Firdaus here. Saida here.
Hi, madam.
Sorry to late practicing, sir. Sir, I am also watching videos, sir, now.
Okay.
I am practicing now only, sir. Some are
Okay.
left, sir. Then after I will send you, sir. Sorry to late, sir.
Practice is important, madam. To everyone, practice is important. Okay.
Sure,
So
sir.
you all people has decided to learn this course. Okay. The same commitment it should be carried every day. Okay. Just not attending the starting classes or paying the fee. After that, also you should carry this momentum, right?
Right.
Till you get the job, to everyone. Okay. Not only to Saida, to everyone. Okay. If you're just attending the classes, if you're just listening to the classes, it does not help you. Not only this course. Okay. If you take any other course, suppose let us take, I'm upgrading myself, I'm learning some other technology. If I just attend the classes, is it okay without practice? No, right?
Oh, sir.
Anybody, you or me, anyone has to practice the application. Without practice, very, very difficult.
Yes.
Okay, madam. Thanks for the update.
Thank you.
Next, please.
Hi, yes, sure. I'll update by the end of the week, Krishna.
Okay. Again, I'm telling you, team. Okay, I'm telling this many times. If you don't have time to prepare a document, that's not required for me. At least one climax screenshot is also okay. Suppose an example, business user. If you have created a business user, if you have sent me the screenshot of your business user, that is enough. Because from your business user screenshot, I can see your BU. I can see your BU. That means you completed all your enterprise structure. You completed jobs, positions, and everything. You're able to create the business user. One climax screenshot is also fine with me. If you think you don't have time, if you think you're wasting your time on preparing a document, not required. First finish the practice and send me 1 or 2 screenshots. That's fine with me. If you don't send me screenshots also, okay, just send me the data in the email. This is my view, this is my ledger, just send me the data. I can cross-verify in the application whether that ledger is there or not, how you created that ledger or not. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Next, please.
Krishna, I'll complete by this weekend. I will send it to you.
Okay, sir.
Everything, entire from starting class.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Hello, Krishna.
Hi,
Actually,
Srivastava.
actually, I have been practicing, but I have not sent you any documents. But I have done till like only last 2 classes I haven't practiced. Apart from that, I have practiced all videos.
Okay.
But I have not sent you any like documents till now.
Why, sir?
Actually, it takes a lot of time to like create documents and all.
I
And
told you, right?
no,
I'm telling you
yeah,
from the starting class. Okay. Document is not required. If you can just send me, okay. I told many times to everyone, okay, just send me like this. Like this. Ledger. What is your ledger? What is your BU? Okay. What's your inventory? Or send me like this.
sure.
You're not able to send this also?
I'll send this. Sure, I'll send this today only. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Next,
Yep.
please.
Hi, Krishna.
Good morning.
Only one email in the initial process, and the remaining only 6 topics left that I will do. And
Sir, I'm not able to hear you properly. Your voice is very low. Can you please check your system volume and check your mic also?
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, it's good.
Only few topics left, like 6 topics, not even 6, 4 topics from the last. So
Okay.
by tomorrow I will send it. I mean, everything is ready.
Okay.
I have sent you only one email earlier. But
Okay.
what was happening yesterday was I created an organization, I couldn't find it.
Okay.
Tomorrow you will have it.
Okay. Thank you. Others, please.
Sir, this is Sai here.
Hi, Sai.
Sir, I have completed up to enterprise structure, but I didn't prepare the document.
Sir, I'm not asking about the document, sir. Okay. I'm asking a practice status email update.
Okay, sir, I will send.
I'm asking for a practice status email update. I'm not asking for a document. Do you need to repeat
Sure,
this
sir.
many times, team? To all of you, do you need to repeat this many times? Not required. I don't need a document. Just one screenshot is also okay. Or just in the email, just mention like this. In the email, just mention. I think some person used to send me what you practiced. Just send me like this, at least. That is also okay with me. See here. Created business user, create job, department, positions. Document is not required for me.
Okay, sir. I'll update you from today.
Okay, sir. Next, please.
Hi, sir. Good morning. Sir, I have completed my practice status up to sandbox, sir.
Okay, sir.
Today, end of the day, I will update on up to ledger creation, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
And one more announcement, team.
Hello.
We have a WhatsApp group, right? That WhatsApp group is for the technical discussions, team. If the instance is not working, or if you want some documents, some video is not playing, or you have issue with your learning portal, you have to contact Tech Leads IT, not in the group. Okay, in that group, old students also there. If you are maintaining the technical discussions in the group, then everybody is going to stay in the group. If you're asking today class is there or not, my learning portal access it, then it's a scrap, right? What you are doing in the group is not required for the others. Then they leave from the group. Let us take you are from the 53 batch. somebody from the 60th batch is asking for an instance. It's not going to be a disturbance for you in that group. In the future, your 53 batch, in the future 60th batch, guy is asking for an instance in the group. Is it relevant to you? Why we are all staying in that group? To share our technical knowledge, to do the technical discussions. We already informed that. Please don't repeat that thing. Okay. Everyone, can you please acknowledge me? I don't know whether you're hearing me or not. Please acknowledge me.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Do
sir.
you? We do our best.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
I hope you understand the importance of the practice. Okay. Without practice, I'll tell you one situation. A student from 52nd batch, right now he's attending. He already took the course, I think in the 35th or 36th batch. Now he paid the fee again. He is attending 52nd batch. I asked him, what is the reason? The reason he mentioned to me, I didn't practice in the 35th batch, sir. That's why I'm again doing this course. And I have one more example in this, in your batch also. Neeraja? So she's also not practiced, but she attended some classes. Without practice, your time, your money, you are wasting. Practice is important. Okay, now let me just recap. Shalini is asking about an Excel which I have prepared. I think I deleted from my system, it seems to be. Do you have anybody is having that Excel? I have shared that in the Zoom chat. That Excel, I explained types of projects. A 2+ guy, 6+ guy, how many projects he has to put. Can anybody has that Excel? If you're having, can you please share in the Zoom chat?
I have. I'll
Yeah.
just check.
Please share in the Zoom chat, man, so that she can download. So we started. I'm telling you, team, I can complete the course. Okay, but not only completing the course from my side, I want all of you to practice also. You should get best out of this course. I can start the next module. I'm done with this basic sheet actually. I can start the next module, product management. But I would like to give you time for the practice. That's why I'm not starting the next module today. Tomorrow I will start. Okay. Today we'll have a recap session for the next 10 to 15 minutes. After that, I'll take your practice doors. And after that, I will take if you're having any generic questions. Okay. Let me just recap quickly. It's a 7:37 till 7:50. I'll recap the session on the basics sheet. Okay. So we started discussing about the licensing details. Okay, so if you purchase, how to approach Oracle to purchase the license, and after approaching Oracle, what type of questions Oracle is going to ask you, like how many number of years you want the application and how many number of users. Such kind of questions are asked by Oracle. Then Oracle will send you the invoice. Okay, first they will send you the code. You can do the negotiation on the code, and later they will send you the actual invoice, and then you make the payment. After that, the point of contact. Who is the point of contact? That guy is going to receive an email from the Oracle. That guy is going to receive an email from the Oracle with the application details. What kind of application details? That guy is going to receive 2 application details, test and production. Test and production. I received a document. Shalini, you are able to download it. Can you please check?
Sir, it's not me. I think somebody else asked.
Somebody else. Who is that? Someone asked me about the project. Is it Neha?
I asked it.
Okay. Yeah, I shared in the chat, madam. So please download it.
Sir, I can't see it in the chat.
No, madam. It's shared to everyone. You're able to see it. It's shared to everyone. It's not only shared to me.
Not sure. My chat is blank. It's not showing in my chat.
Suhani, can you please share it again?
Yes, Vishnu.
Yeah, please share it again. So we'll receive two applications by default from Oracle. One is the test and production instance. And also we discussed the URL pattern also. Okay. So in the URL, if you see test, it's a test application. And if you see prod, it's a production application. I mean, you won't see anything. If you don't see anything, it's a production application. And also I discussed with you, what is this AP1? This AP1 is nothing but your application is hosted under Asia specific data center. If you see US, your application
Yes,
got hosted in the US data center. If you see US. Okay. Now, if you want additional instances also, you can buy from Oracle. The additional instances URL starts with dev1. And then if you are purchasing another additional instance, it starts with dev2. After that, we discussed about, the project get awarded to a, suppose if I want to implement Oracle Fusion applications for Tech Lead Site, okay. What I do is I'll ask for a quotation from all these companies. And after receiving the quotations from TCS, Wipro, and IBM, I'm going to choose which is the best company. Which is the best company, I'm going to choose it. Okay. And suppose if I choose Wipro as a best company, after that, project manager get assigned from the Wipro, and the project manager will identify the project team. The project team is nothing but functional consultant and technical consultants. How many functional consultants are required? How many technical consultants are required? It depends upon the scope of the project. It depends on the scope of the project. The functional consultant, technical consultant number is decided by the project manager. Okay. After that, once you assign to the project, first we conduct the meetings. Okay. The first meeting is actually basically a kickoff meeting. A kickoff meeting is nothing but an introduction meeting. Kickoff meeting. In the kickoff meeting, not everybody is required, only higher officials. From the client side and from the implementation company side, only higher officials are going to meet, and they will discuss the plan, and they will just greet each other. That's it. After the kickoff meeting, the workshops, nothing but meetings are conducted with the respect to business users. So procurement, okay. So from the procurement, you'll try to connect with the people, and you will try to understand what they're expecting. Okay, what is their requirement? You gather all the requirements and then you document it. And if the requirement is a standard requirement, then you can immediately configure the application. You can immediately configure the application if it is a standard requirement. Okay. So after configuring the requirement, we perform the testing. After we're done with our testing, and if you think it's working fine, then you can ask the user to test it. After that, we can configure that in the production application. Okay. Some of the non-standard requirements also there. Non-standard requirements, nothing but the client requirement is not matching with the application functionality. That's called as a non-standard requirement. It's also called as a gap. It is also called as a gap. Gap is nothing but the requirement is not matching with the application functionality. So for such kind of gaps, we have to implement custom solutions. So after implementing the custom solution, test the custom solution, and then ask the user to test it, and after that configure in the production instance. So to achieve one custom solution, there could be some different options are there. Different options are there. Down the line, I will explain you some of the custom requirements also down the line in the coming classes. After that, I have explained the demo instance also, how to use the demo instance. I would like to spend some time here on the demo instance. We created our own enterprise structure in the demo instance, right? We created our own enterprise structure in the demo instance, but in the demo instance already which company data exists? In the demo instance already,
Vision Corporation.
which client data exists? Vision Corporation. So this Vision Corporation, all the entities are available in the application. When I say entities, everything like this company enterprise structure is already there. This company enterprise structure is already there. And this company data, master data is also already there. When I say master data, what are those items? customers, suppliers, all those data is also there. Okay. And this company business users also there. When I say business user, Casey Brown is for what? Procurement. Okay. And then Frank Yin is for what? Is for inventory. I have given the list of business users on the Excel file itself. If you see this Excel file, here I have given the list here. Casey Brown is for the procurement, and then Kelvin Roth is also for the procurement. Frank Yin is for inventory. Valerie is for the sales order transactions. So in the demo application, you directly see these users. I'll show you here. I'm on the demo application. I'm searching with the first name. Let's search with the username. So this is the Casey Brown user. Did we created this user? No. This business user, did we create it? No, we didn't create. Okay. We created this business unit. Did we created this department? And who is the manager? Anita Kennedy. So this is all demo data. This demo data only available in the demo application only. Do you see demo data in the real-time application? No. You'll not see demo data in the real-time application. Only you will see in the demo application only. Now, suppose I would like to create a purchase order. Okay, I can create. Okay, what I can do is, so I'm resetting the password of this user. I can log into this user, to create a PO. I'll show you. I'll show you an example. You should also know how to use the demo instance. Because once you, so if you want to create a PO, you don't need to create your enterprise structure. You don't need to create suppliers and everything. You can still use the demo instance data. And you can try to enter the transactions. You can verify anything in the application. Later, when you are working in a project, you wanted to test some functionality. When you want to test some functionality, you can actually use the Vision Corporation data and you can test those transactions. You can verify the application functionality. After that, we started working on the user creation. What is the users table? Per_users is the table. Okay. So to connect to the database, is there any third-party tool available? To connect to the database, is there any third-party tool available?
SQL Connect.
SQL Connect is the table that is available to connect to the database. You can buy from the Splash BI company, but we can actually connect to the database from the application itself. So coming to the types of roles, we have abstract role and we have job role, right? What is the difference between abstract role and job role, team? What's the difference?
Abstract role is a generic role who we can assign it to any person in the company. Wherein the job role is specific to the job. I mean, if it is a purchase user, he or she is supposed to have only purchasing related roles. And let's say, for example, if we take employee is a generic role, we can assign it to the any person who is working in the company. They can go and run the reports.
Very good. Employee role is a generic role that can be assigned to any employee, and procurement manager can't be assigned to any employee because it's specific to the job of that employee. Suppose you are working under the procurement department, you get procurement manager role. So that is nothing but the job role. Okay. And also we can create a custom role by using the copy option, duplicate option, and we can also create custom role by directly, manually also we can create. Okay. And we have discussed about the significance of these 4 major roles also. The first role is nothing but which is assigned to everybody. If you are having the first role, you are able to run the programs. And second role is nothing but administrator role. If you are having this role, you are able to create users, you are able to manage the roles also. Okay. And application implementation consultant role is for the setup and maintenance access. This role is required for every IT guy because we are spending a lot of time on the setup and maintenance only. Because from the setup and maintenance only, we configured everything. All the enterprise structure we configured from the setup and maintenance, correct? After that ESS administrator role, this role is required to monitor the job submitted by every user in the application. By default, you are able to see your programs. I am able to see my programs only by default. But as an administrator, I would like to see the program submitted by any user in the application. I can also take the actions as well. Nothing but I can temporarily pause that program. I can cancel that program. I can hold that program. Okay. So ESS administrator can monitor the ESS job submitted by any user in the application. After that, we discussed about, these LDAP programs. Why we have these LDAP programs? We are synchronizing the application
User and roles.
Yeah, we are synchronizing the LDAP directory with the Fusion application database. That's why we are running these synchronization programs. After that, implementation project. Implementation project is required. No, it's not required. It's optional. Implementation project, it is required for the copy, paste, nothing but export and
Import and
import.
export the
But right now in the
configurations.
latest version, for that topic also, this is not required. In the latest version, for the topic also, it's not required. So this is not at all required. Okay, without this, you do everything in the application. Okay, but in the older version, this was mandatory because right now we are doing everything from the setup and maintenance. But in the older version, we go to the project. From the project, we pick up that configuration task to perform the setups in the old versions. When coming to the sandbox, we discussed about appearance sandbox. In the appearance sandbox, we are able to change the logo, application logo, and we are able to change the theme. By default, two themes are good themes actually. One is vanilla theme and the other one is default theme. Except these two themes, have not seen any client is using the other themes because other themes are crazy themes. Okay, the client's always looking for the professional themes. So vanilla theme and default theme is the good themes. And how to connect to the database? We can connect from the BI. Okay, we can navigate to the BI screen. From this BI screen, we can connect to the database. Coming to the enterprise structure. Okay, I think I'll just give a quick recap on the enterprise structure tomorrow again. Tomorrow initially for the first 10 minutes, I'll give the recap on the enterprise structure. And then later tomorrow, I'll start with the product management module. I will start with the product management module. Today, I have not explained anything except one topic because I'm giving you time. I'm giving you time. Those who has not practiced, please complete your practice. Those who has already practiced, please do the practice again. Multiple times do the practice. Practice is important. That's why I have not taken any subject today. Okay. Now I'll take your practice questions. We have another 8 minutes. I'll take your practice questions. Go ahead.
Krishna, from the reports and analytics, we used to create reports to view the any kind of reports and all, right? So how to view the previously created reports by using a browse catalog and data model? I created a
on the
report.
left. Okay. On the left hand side, you have the folder path, right? Shield folder and custom. When you create a report, you can save that report. After saving that report, you'll see the path. So you can navigate to that path. On the left hand side, you'll see my folder, shared folder. So it will display in that path, Madam. Not clear?
I'm checking, already checking.
Okay, then fine. You can check. Next question, please.
Sir, Srinivas.
Good morning, sir.
Srinivas, tell me.
Don't mind, sir. Actually, we leave to office for morning at 10 o'clock. By the time we reach, it comes like 10 or 11 back to home. So this way, not able to concentrate on the practice. If you don't mind, if there is any practice notes like already done, so based on that, we'll see and practice accordingly and provide the details. So what is happening by seeing all the videos? Yeah,
Sir,
definitely.
I explained. Okay, I explained You have to refer which folder I have explained already. Okay.
Right.
I have explained here. Okay. If you don't want my material, then I can give you the practice document shared by the students. But in the basics folders, there are two documents are there. Okay. First week document. I have explained also which document you people has to refer. The first week PDF document. Okay. This you refer. 45 pages document that is having users, roles, and other stuff. After that, enterprise structure. This is enterprise structure practice document. So here I have explained this document in the class. Did I explain team? Did I explain right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. See, sir, including screenshots, everything is beautifully there.
Okay, sir. Okay. Yeah.
Beautifully there, sir. Okay. I'm
Yeah,
also
thank-
explaining
thank-
which document you have to refer. Okay. Team, please concentrate in the class. What I'm explaining, please concentrate to all of you. Don't repeat your questions. Concentration, 60 minutes concentration is required. I'm explaining things multiple times. I'm repeating also. My explanation I'm repeating. But you people are still missing something. Some important things you are missing. Okay, next please.
Thank you, sir.
Krishna?
Sir, I have questions, sir.
Actually, the setups that I have created is all in Def 23.
I've seen your question. I'll reply you, Srivastava. Okay.
Okay, sure. Yep.
When you're asking questions on the chat, I'm not able to concentrate on my explanation also during that time.
Sure, sure.
Okay, I'll talk about that. Yeah. Next question, please.
Sir, regarding the rules, ESS rules can monitor all the programs, all the reports. So
Yes.
can we say that ESS has a master?
Not report the program. Okay. I would say the only whatever you see, you can actually run the report directly from the BI also. You can run the report directly from the BI, and that report you can register as a program, nothing but ESS job also.
So ESS, can we consider those who have ESS roles as a master?
You can consider, maybe we can consider like this.
Okay.
What you are running from the schedule process is nothing but ESS jobs.
Okay, got it.
Yeah. Okay.
Krishna, like yesterday you created positions job.
Hmm.
I was not present in the class, but I saw the recording in that after creating the position, we can head count that position to number of employees.
Correct. Yes. We can assign the
So
same
in that,
position to number of employees. Yes.
yes. So in that is a like a tab or check or that head count. In that we mention the number of employees. So after entering the number of employees like more than 1 or 2, 3, I created on save or submit. Then it was asking me to first select the position type. If you are seeing
So you have
or
entered entered head count as one or more than one.
more than 1.
More than one you entered, right? And on top
Yes.
of that field, there is one more field. I don't remember the field name, but there you see by default single incumbent. Single incumbent means you are able to assign to one employee only. So you change that single incumbent to shared.
To share to which to single
Shared option.
Acha. Okay.
It's on top of the head count only.
Okay.
Single incumbent, you change it to shared, then you are able to assign.
Okay.
Even I faced the same issue, sir.
Okay.
Sir, by creating inventory organization, by selecting the business unit, created business unit, sir.
Okay. Go ahead.
Actually creating the business unit, but not shown in that creating inventory organization.
It's not showing up there. Did you, I think after creating the BU, you're not done with the business functions, I believe. You missed the business function setup. No, just verify, okay? That is the reason it's not displaying to you. If it is not displaying there, means you missed some setup, that's it. I believe you missed the business function setup. And when you are creating a business unit, did you attach it the ledger and legal entity also? Sorry, You don't attach, yeah. When you are creating a business functions, you'll attach ledger and legal entity. Did you completed that? Please check that. If you miss something, then only you'll get that issue. Okay.
Hello, Krishna. Apurva here. Yesterday, I was trying to connect to the database, but I couldn't see the data model option in there. What might be the reason? I found all the other settings. I got everything, but the listing doesn't show data model.
Assign application implementation consultant role to your user.
I think I have already done that.
Okay.
Because without that, I guess I can't have the options to create at all, because maintenance setup and maintenance won't come there, right?
Send me a screenshot of that.
I'll do that. I'll do that.
I faced the same issue with Dev 64, sir.
After click
Data
on the
model
browse
is not
catalog, it is
Okay.
not showing the data model, Krishna.
Okay. Then what you did?
Yesterday morning, I was able to create a report, but now if I just log in and checking, after click on the browse catalog, it is not giving an option to click on a data model to create a report.
Okay. Tomorrow we'll see then. Okay. Apurva, you check it. Tomorrow we'll see. Okay.
I'll send you the image. I'll try again, but I'll send you the image.
Send me the user screenshot, what roles you have assigned and what you are not able to see. Tomorrow I'll take up that question. I have a hard stop. I have a meeting at 8 o'clock. I'll join that meeting. Before I log off, I would like to explain this thing. On the we are providing two types of instances: refresh instance and non-refresh instance. So whatever the data that you are creating in the refresh instance, it is valid only for 2 to 3 weeks only. After that, it won't work. Okay. We are also going to provide you a non-refresh instance, which is for the lifetime. That instance name is EKMK. We will provide you this instance. In this instance, whatever the data that you are going to create, that will be there for your lifetime. Lifetime in the sense at least minimum 3 to 4 months or maybe for 1 year. Okay. Understood?
Yes.
That's why in the instant title, we mentioned refresh instance and non-refresh instance in the instant title under the learning portal. Okay. So now Dev 23 is gone. It's gone. Even my data is also gone, whatever I have created. Okay. Now Dev 64 is available. I think Dev 64 is available for the, maybe I think you are using this instance from the last week, right? It's available for 1 more week. It's available, minimum 2 weeks is guaranteed. After that, sometimes it is also work for the 3 weeks also. That's why I'm asking you to repeat your configurations in multiple instances. Because if you do the practice in one instance one time and then repeat that in the other instance for the second time. Okay. And later you can create your configurations in this instance and they won't lose. You won't lose those configurations in this instance. Okay.
Yes.
And I don't want to provide this instance also. I don't know whether this instance is available in your learning portal or not, but I don't want to provide this instance now itself because I want the data should go away. Then only you're able to practice multiple times. At least minimum 2-3 times you'll practice. If the data is present, you won't practice. 2 to 3 times practice is required. Is this instance is available in the learning portal?
No, sir.
It's not available. Okay. If it is not available, I will give you later, not now. Okay. I want all of you to use the demo applications only. Now Dev 23 is gone, right? In place of Dev 23, we will give you another instance.
We have a one non-refresh instance that is EHQJ.
I think this EHQJ, huh? Okay. EHQJ. That means
already available in the portal.
Already available.
Yes.
Then actually you can use that. The data won't refresh in that instance then. Okay.
But it is very slow.
Okay. I'll ask my team to provide you EKMK then.
So means then whatever we did on day 23, now we can no longer we can access that one?
No, you cannot.
Okay.
Okay, even I'm not able to log into this application. It's gone. Now Dev 64 you can use, and we will give you in place of Dev 23, we will give you another instance. Okay, shortly by afternoon. And that is again will work for 2 to 3 weeks. Okay, team, see you tomorrow. Bye.
Thank you.